Do you want to see me grow a brand new TikTok account from 0 to 1,000 followers in just 7 days? As you know, once you get your first 1,000 followers, you have the ability to go live. You have the ability to have a link in your bio, and the snowball effect happens and you start growing at an exponential rate. So my goal in this case study is to grow a brand new account. This is going to be day 5. I've documented every single day, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now day 5, about how I'm growing a brand new account, what type of posts, what type of hashtags, everything. So I'm going to show you where I'm at today. Today's actually been a really good day from day number 4. So let's go ahead and get started. But if you are brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, how to use TikTok for your affiliate marketing and your online business needs. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. I just want to go recap what's going on with day 5 and how this account is doing. So let me just scroll down real quick. I do want to talk about if you're just watching me, if you're just watching this for the first time, I'm going to go through kind of what the new account's based on. So the main account is a high ticket affiliate marketing TikTok account. So similar to my main account, if you're following me on my main account, Passive Income Lifestyles, it's going to be similar to that. I may do another case study another week where I do a different niche. So if you are interested in that, let me know. But I am doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Obviously, that's what I know. That's what I'm good at. So that's what the new account is also based on. I set up my profile and my bio, of course. Make sure to watch day number 1. I go deep into all the setup stuff. But if you're just watching this, this is how I set up my bio. I make sure I have the 3 W's: the who, what, why. If you don't know what that is, like I said, I talk about that a lot in day number 1. Also, how to set up your profile in my other videos, which I won't go deep into today. But also make sure to set up a pro account if you are trying to track your analytics. This is also, if you're running a business, really, really important to do that. Really easy. You just go to manage my account, switch to pro account, all right? I do want to talk about my content strategy for day number 5. So the way I've been filming these videos is, today's day number 5, but I'm going to show you the stats for the end of day number 4. So that's kind of how I'm doing it. But basically, this is my content strategy for today. My goal is to have 10 TikTok posts. I know it's a lot, but I'm really trying to grow, so I'm really just trying to throw a ton of content out there. And what I've noticed on TikTok is the more content you post, the more views you're going to get, and the more followers you're going to get just by posting more. Unlike YouTube, where if you post like 10 videos a day, it's actually hurting you. But today, I'm going to try to get 10 posts. That's been kind of my goal for the past few days, and I'll show you why I want to do 10 posts. But these are the type of posts that I'm posting. I've talked about these in my other videos. I keep adding to this list as the days go on. Everything here is going to stay the same. The only difference that I'm adding here is this one right here, the one that's bold. I'm going to be reposting old proven content. So this has actually been something I've been doing lately. I was actually really busy posting yesterday. So what I was doing is I was downloading my old videos and I was reposting them on my account. I was actually getting a ton of views, a ton of followers with the old proven content. So what you do is, if you posted something that did very well, you download that and you just repost it with different hashtags. It works really, really well. I've actually done it several times with the same video, and it's actually doing really, really well. So that's something that I'm going to be doing as well, especially because, coming up with 10 different type of posts every single day is a ton of work. So, this will actually help. Plus, it gets my older content out there that maybe didn't do well at a certain time. So that's something you guys should be doing. This is also something I do with my main account, Passive Income Lifestyles, and it works really well. Okay, so this is something new that I'm doing for day number 5. As far as the hashtag strategy, I'm obviously still under 1,000 followers. So I'm targeting hashtags with 10,000 to 100,000 views. I did use some hashtags with over 100,000 views, I think 400 and 500, just to see if I can get some more views. So I'm kind of starting to go with the bigger hashtags, but for the main strategy, I'm using longer tail hashtags. That way I'm able to rank for those hashtags. And TikTok knows exactly what my account is because I'm very specific on my hashtags. So this is really important, guys. I talk about this a lot in my main video about how the algorithm works. So make sure to check out that video if you don't know what the hashtag strategy is. Now let's get to the main point of this video. I'm going to talk about the stats, but real quick, if you don't know, the way I lay out my videos is 3 main elements. Is with the main hook, I have a story or a value, and then I have an offer or a call to action at the end. Really important that you have those 3 elements. A hook is like a scroll stopper, okay? If someone's scrolling, you got to have them stop, okay? When you have them stop, you're going to tell them a story, or you're going to give them some type of value, okay? You're going to give them a reason why they stopped. And then at the end of it, you're going to give them an offer or a call to action. So, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment, something like that, okay? Or you can say, hey, go to this link in my bio. Do this, do that, right? That's the call to action. It's really important. Most people don't have a call to action. They don't know what to do at the end of the video, so you have to tell them what you want them to do. Go to this link, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on this video, get them to do something. That's the call to action, okay? So those 3 main elements are why I can get why I can have a successful TikTok or any social media in general. If you can master this, three essential elements, then you're gonna do very well, okay? And then of course I add a trending sound, caption, and a hashtag with all my videos. Really, really important that you do that. And like I said, I talk more about that in my algorithm video. I just want to kind of touch on that if you're just watching this video for the first time. Okay, so let's talk about the actual stats. So after day 1, I had 100 followers, 99. After day 2, I had 156. After day 3, I don't know if I updated that one. 156. Wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. After day 2 is 145. Let me change that for you guys. Sorry about that. So after day 2, I have 145. After day 3, 156. So really slow day there. And then after day 4 has actually been my best time ever. So I went from 156 to 420 followers. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm a little more than halfway into the case study. So I'm going to have to throw a lot more content out there to try to get the 1,000 followers within the 7-day period. So today's day number 5. I have technically 3 more days. So the whole day number 5, day number 6, and day number 7. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it throughout this whole case study. So that's where I'm at right now. I have over 3,000 likes, 45 Instagram followers, and my new pace is 193 per day. That's what I need to get to meet the 1,000 followers for my goal. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. I think I can hit it. I just need to post a lot more content. It's been really busy lately. You know, I have my one-on-one students. I have my live courses I'm teaching. But I'm really confident that I can hit this 1,000 followers in the last 3 days. But day 3 was I had 156 followers, so that was I was a little discouraged there. But now that I'm almost halfway there, I think that I can really get a ton of followers now that the ball's rolling. I have some content in there, and it's all about staying consistent, guys. I've been really consistent with posting. Obviously, this is not my main account. This is my just my case study account, but I am growing it to 1,000 followers, which is good. I think I can hit it, and that's where I'm at right now. So if you guys want to follow the journey, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you've been following on this journey, make sure to keep watching. I'm pretty confident I can hit that 1,000 followers, because once you hit that 1,000 followers, you have the ability, have the link in your bio, you have the ability to go live. Just so much more things, so much more good things can happen when you hit that 1,000 followers. So make sure to keep following me, guys. If you are brand new, if you found value in this video, please subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, shoot me a comment, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll come out with the next day tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and God bless.